Hey guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe to like a comment. Happy Friday, happy 26. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself without me wasting your time. Let's get to start off today. Guys, honestly speaking, this week it was one of the best weeks. The housemates, they are getting along. Everything is fine. Less fight, less drama. Guys, Abo Liyema, Abo Thandeka, Abo Didi. You know, Didi even said, Uli Thandeka, she's not a bad person. Guys, Abo Trace. You know, there's peace. Yes, they might not be perfect, but at least they are getting along, guys. This week, Thandeka, she used the bathroom, and people were asking themselves, what is going on in Thandeka? I guess now she's in top 5. She was like, you know what, let me no more cause drama, because I've been causing drama from day one. So, guys, yesterday they also won the wager, guys. Congratulations to those housemates, guys. You know what I've noticed? Ashe and Thandeka, they work well together, guys. They balance each other. OQ won 50,000 rand. I don't know if that's the real money or what is going on, guys, because I'm so confused. If OQ won that 50,000 rand, honestly speaking, congratulations to him. So people that are still fighting, and I don't see them getting along, even busy like Thandeka and Liyema. So Umek Jr., guys, they posted Thandeka, and he was like, this is a logic, and people are not happy, saying, good, do you still remember during your time, Liyema, she's the one who said we should vote for you to win the 2 million rand. Now you are busy campaigning for Thandeka. What you are doing to Liyema is totally unfair. People are calling out to Umek Jr. to say you are not a good friend to Liyema. So some are saying, good, everyone has a right to choose who they like. I was so busy, they were busy campaigning with Thandeka. They decided to vote for Liyema, saying that you cannot control people on their social media page. Allow them to vote who they want to vote. At the end of the day, is their page, so they can do whatever they want. So guys, there's a lot of division, guys. The housemate, they are getting along. Only the fan base, they are fighting so hard, guys. The people are still decampaigning Thandeka. Some are decampaigning Liyema. Others are saying Uguti, Q needs to go home. Who did? It's a lot that is going on in social media, guys. But I'm happy those housemates, they are getting along, guys. You guys are taking this personal. This is a competition for 2 million rand. Who's ever gonna win means she deserve it or he deserve it. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Friday. Please take care of yourself. I love you.